Let's pull up the SGX Nifty. It's first gave a scare of a dip, but now it's back at about 0.09%. Would still count as flat terrain. So really the day can go any which way. Let's invite Vinod Sharma of HDFC Securities. Good morning, Vinod. What stocks are you trading today?
Yeah, good morning, Lata. First and foremost, we are ready to welcome our wing commander back home.
Yes, we
so
went
that
through
gives
that.
us a lot of pleasure. Also, I think the markets are not in a they're a kind of a gloomy situation. I think they will rise to welcome him as well. So, we are taking the solace from the fact that my call on Wednesday, all the 4 calls that are given, including Nifty plus 3, the targets were met before we met with bad news. Okay? So, currently, I have not looked at what are the stocks that have done well technically or something else. I have not looked at that data. I have not looked at the FNO data either. What I have looked at is the fact that this is a good news which brings in a lot of cheer. And the fact that there are a 3-day weekend will make a lot of people not take those positions. People will still be skeptical. So I am taking that call. I am buying the market. I am also buying the certain stocks, key stocks. So I am buying, first and foremost, I am buying the Nifty. I am buying the 10,900 call, or maybe I can say I'll buy the 11,000 call also. I'll buy the 11,000 call at 115, quite a far away, because I believe that 11,000 level will be reached. And if that level is reached, the target which I have of 200 for this option will be reached as well. And once 11,000 is breached, then the room opens up for further short covering, which will take the market beyond 11,200 in the March series, that is our take. Now, among the stocks, I think Reliance will have to go up to take the markets higher. We saw some milder mine positions being built, 2% addition, 1% open interest, 1% price went up. I'm buying the 1240 call here at around 37, stop loss at 28, a target of around 55. I have other stocks as well.
Okay.
Okay. So let's get to the rest of them as well, Vinod.
Yeah. Because it gets monotonous, so therefore I give a break.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah. My another stock is ICICI Bank. I am buying the 360 call at 7.25 and stop loss at 5 rupees, target of around 12. And ITC, the stock which has, and this one stock which you can buy and hold, the risk, downward risk is pretty low. So I think this one stock which hasn't moved up and therefore is ripe to move up. I'm buying the 280 call at 5.2, stop loss at 3.5 and target of around 9. Now my main logic of getting into the Nifty. See, Lata, last 3 series we have seen the Nifty going up by 0.5 or coming down by 0.7. It hasn't moved up at all. So this is the time when it has moved, it will move up for a larger share. Also, looking at the open interest in the Nifty, we find that the OI in terms of stock futures is the lowest in 22 months. The market is light, and the reasons not to invest are many. So I'm taking this call. We are buying the Nifty.
Actually, I was going to ask you that question. You've already answered it. Maybe we should pull up that data which Mangalam had sent. The OI at the start of the series is 1.43 crore shares. And Mangalam has only given us the last 3 months. And that's 1.72 crore in February, 2.18 crore in Jan, and 1.98 crore in December. So it was 2 crore and over 2 crore open interest when you started the series in the previous times. This time we are starting with not even 1.5 crore shares, 1.4 crore shares. So clearly it's a lighter series. Rollovers in the last few months were about 69% average, 3-month rolling. This month we are rolling over only 60%. So it does look, as Vinod says, that we may be starting light and therefore more headroom to go long. Thank you very much. Yeah, Vinod.
One last call.
Yes.
In order to celebrate this
3-day weekend, I was looking at that call actually.
United Splits as well.
All right.
I am buying the 560 call at 16.5, stop loss at 12 and target around 25.
Cheers to you.
Wish you all the best.
Thank you very much, Vinod. Have a great 3-day weekend. If you're going to these ecstasies, you will need some cures as well.
Not.
And that's what Ekta is doing. Okay. Ekta had a conversation with the Lupin management, with Nilesh Gupta, the managing director of Lupin. And they spoke about the recent Renexa approval, the opportunity that it presents. It's not been a very good, it's been a horrible year, as Nilesh put it some time back, 2018. How will 2019 and 20 pan out? That's what they've been speaking about. Listening to that conversation, we'll come back. We should have the pre-opening rates.
So I think this is a great opportunity, right? So first of all, we have a period of exclusivity in this product. We don't know whether there will be an authorized generic or not. There certainly isn't an authorized generic today. I think this is a great opportunity. I think these are the kinds of opportunities that you've been waiting, or we've been waiting for quite a few years. The last big one was probably Glumetza. So I think this is a nice opportunity. Again, for the near term, I think there's a period of exclusivity. Obviously, there will be more competition that comes in. But I think, it's the start of those new products coming. We have levothyroxine that will launch very shortly. In the second half, we hope to launch the albuterol, MDI as well. And I think these will be nice products to come to market.
Okay. I just wanted to, this particular Renexa generic approval, you have 3 months of exclusivity, I understand. How much do you think you can probably make, $50 to $60 million in 3 months with an AG or without an AG? What kind of estimates are you working with?
So hard to say at this point of time, and we never comment on pricing or on the size of an individual opportunity. But I think if there's no AG in the market, this is going to be a big opportunity.
And what about Goa and Pithampur Unit 2? You can't not talk about that. Do you think that's factored into your guidance in FY20 in terms of a remediation and where you see it come through?
Yeah, so we have not specifically guided and put that into our numbers at this point of time. Obviously, as both these plants get cleared, I think that's a nice volume of products that will come to market.